ISUZU cash transport vehicle has a large capacity to carry valuables. Harrow Security offers 360-degree ballistic protection in both passenger cabins and cash cabins to protect the security guard from all kinds of hostile environments and continues to keep you and your valuables safe. Security cameras placed outside and inside the cabin record, while the run-flat feature installed on the tires helps you escape quickly from an emergency situation when necessary. Harrow Security Vehicles at B6 level are armored using both opaque and transparent materials that meet or exceed the requirements of European CEN1522-23 and CEN1063 standards up to FB6 for opaque areas and BR5 for transparent areas. The four sides of the passenger compartment and the roof of the vehicle are protected with high-quality armour steel and glass, which neutralises 7.62 by 51 mm M80 Nato Ball ammunition, US NIJ Level 3, CEN level FB6/BR6, and 5.56 by 45 SS109 ammunition, CEN level FB5/BR5 and FB6/BR6, at 0 degrees angle, 90 degrees to the surface, and 10 m range according to CEN1063 and CEN1522. In accordance with the specifications, all opaque areas including the roof are protected against the following and all small arms/munition with an impact angle of 90 degrees. In accordance with the specifications, all transparent areas are multi-layered and polycarbonate coated to provide protection against all weapons/ammunition below and smaller with a 90 degrees impact angle.